Hello students, I Akib Khan, your science teacher, welcoming you to our science class. Today we will discuss about nutrition in plants for class 7. This chapter contains introduction, mode of nutrition in plants, photosynthesis, heterotrophic nutrition and types of heterotrophic nutrition. Now we will start with what is nutrition. Before nutrition we will know about nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the food component that fulfill different needs of our body, and these are present in our food. Some nutrients are carbohydrate, give us energy. Fat, it also give us energy but for the emergency time. Proteins are known as bodybuilding blocks and they can repair our body during the injury. Vitamins and minerals protect us from the several diseases. Now, two more useful components but not nutrients are roughage and water. Roughage is very useful or important components of our food because roughage help in the formation of bulk and avoid constipation. And water is very useful or necessary for the complete digestion. Okay, now we will start what is nutrition. Nutrition is the process through which organisms used food nutrients for their growth, development and other life processes. There are two types of nutrition. One is autotrophic nutrition and another is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which plants make their own food, and another one is heterotrophic nutrition in which organisms are dependent on other plants and animals to fulfill their food needs. Now, mode of nutrition in plants. Plants use autotrophic nutrition means they are able to produce their own food. That is why they are known as producers. Plants prepare their food by the help of photosynthesis. And here is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the process through which plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll and give us glucose as a food product. Heterotrophic nutrition, a mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other plants and animals for their food. On the basis of food habits, there are different types of categories of animals. Herbivores only feed on plants and plant products. Carnivores only feed on herbivores and flesh of other animals. Omnivores are the animals or organisms that feed on both plants and animals. And next is decomposers. Decomposers are the organisms that obtain their food from the dead or decaying substances. Now next is types of nutrition. There are different types of nutrition in which first is holozoic nutrition, means intake of solid food or liquid food through mouth. Now next is parasitic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, organisms depend on other organisms or hosts for their food. In parasitic nutrition, one organism is beneficiated and other one get harmed. Now next is saprophytic nutrition. Organisms which feed on dead organic matter is known as saprophytes. For example, fungus. Now next is symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic type of nutrition shows between two organisms in which both the organisms are mutually beneficiated and form a symbiotic relationship. For example, lichens. In lichens, algae and fungus live together in which algae provide food to fungus and fungus provide shelter and protection to the algae. Now next is insectivorous plants. They are green plants, they possess photosynthesis, but to fulfill their nitrogen needs, they trap the insect and known as insectivorous plants. For example, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew, etc. Here are some questions for you.